Hello guys, I'll be doing a review on the Swiss Army knife, Victorinox, and Swiss Army Victorinox pocket knife. You guys can see Victorinox right there. And I'll be showing you guys everything that is on this pocket knife. And yeah, my first YouTube video. And please subscribe. How about let's get at least 5 likes on this first video, please. And so let's start. First off, we have a small blade, small little knife to cut stuff. And so yeah, it's pretty small, but it's really sharp. So yeah, it's good for some stuff. But if you need a bigger blade, you're lucky because it has a bigger one too. It has a big one that's really big. And I actually cut myself a little with this. So yeah, be careful. It's really sharp. And then next we got, the scissors. Sorry, can't get it out. There we go, scissors. And that's come in handy for some stuff in the wild maybe. I don't know, I'm not too sure. Oh, and for a heads up, 2 of the things on this pocket knife, I can't exactly tell you what it's actually called and used for. So yeah, and just a head notice. And then we have a can opener right there, as you guys can see. And then we have a flathead screwdriver with a little bottle opener right there. So that's good. And then we go to the other side, and then we have this. Sorry, it's kind of hard to get out. There we go. Corkscrew. It's usually used for wine, but I'm pretty sure this whole pocket knife is for like the wild outdoorsiness stuff. But maybe you have wine when you're in the outdoors, so you can use that for it, or this for that. And then next we got this little hook thing. It's pretty hard to get out. Man, yes. Yeah, so there we go, right there. And then we got this little knife thing. I'm not too sure what this is used for. It has a little hole right there, if you guys can see. Right there. So, I don't know. I heard like it's for sewing or something, I think. So yeah. And then the last 2 things I want to show you guys is this. Okay, so you see this? It doesn't look like anything, but it really is. It's a toothpick. It just pops out. You just can use it to clean your teeth if you want it in the wild. So yeah, that's helpful. And then the next one is it gets out. You take it out the same way you take out the toothpick, but it's different, and it's gray. This is a pair of tweezers for taking out thorns if you ever get a thorn stuck in your body or something. So it's really useful because there's lots of pokey stuff in the wild. And that's all on this blade. On this pocket knife that I'll be showing you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, this is my first video. Remember that. So please subscribe. Bye.